going to Jollibee. It's She's birthday. Yay! Hey, happy birthday! Yeah, it's your birthday. Wow, happy birthday, Chief. Hello, Ron. Dito ka na. Wow, there's someone else here. Wow. Happy birthday, baby. Wow. So cute.
Lord Jesus, thank you so much for today, for bringing shade.
Thank you so much. So all the way from Australia, we're all here to celebrate the reunion and memories to be shared with everyone. Thank you.
Sama ni Jollibee ang dala na pala ito. Our second gift. Ay, yun. Parang naman natin. Mga kakagigil na sa dulo. Ano naman? Grabe kung kakagigil. Chick. And then jump. Ayun. Para ang balon ipasa bawat ihag. Ipasa lang ang logo. Ipasa ang ipasa. Stop. Ayun. Kay Kuya. Stop. Ayun. Ay. Sila po kayo. Yes.
Ayun yung mga kuya din ni Shay. Kasama sa picture.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Flawless. Katulad po po ni Mary. Grabe naman.
Sa Jollibee na tayo, delicious sa saya. Sa Jollibee na tayo, walang iba. Sa Jollibee, dito ang saya.
Then, ayan, please stand up po dahil this time,
Happy birthday to you.
Candle. Yeah!
Wisdom and always be in tune with God and always be my birthday.
Wish you all the best and we love you so much. Okay? Okay. Thank you.
One. Happy birthday!
Ayan lahat ng kids. Happy birthday, Shane. Happy birthday, Shane. Happy birthday, Shane. Happy birthday, Shane. Happy birthday, Shane.
First of all, thank you sa lahat ng kaibigan, kapamilya, and kay Lolo Sam na nag-sponsor ng birthday ni Shane. Thank you, Lolo! Sabay natin babatiin si Shane na isang malakas na.
One, two,
Happy birthday, Shane.
bye, Kaiden! Just finished Shay's birthday. I got so much money. Yeah, Keith and also Keith was so popular.
I know. I know, so popular.
It's so cool. You get to experience Tita Mickey's driving. Hey, have Jollibee. Wow. You're so happy you saw Jollibee. It's the after party.
Sorry. Ka-change napis ka na.
Ito eh. Hello po. After party ng birthday ni Shay. And then here, the after party of Shay's birthday on the second floor. They're playing Cat Quest. Oh, yeah.
Help us? Oh, actually, no thanks. I'm gonna kill them.
Aw, Gucci is sitting next to Keith and Sean. He's so cute. Gucci. Ito yung kids party.
Yung cat's cake. Yung dog cat.
Yan, oh, wow.
Ito ay pansit. Palabas.
Wow.
Hi. Ay, so cute.